people, welcome back to Smart Architects. So in our previous videos we did how to draw honeycomb walls, we did how to draw roofs, we did how to design a one-bedroom house, we did how to save our plan as PDF, we did how to label our plan, we did how to design a sheet in Photoshop software. Okay, so since we already know how to do a one-bedroom house, so now we can do a full project on our own. So in this video I'm going to show you, or we are going to start with a full project in Revit software, a full project. So before we start with our today's lesson, please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, and if today is your first time of seeing our video, please subscribe to this channel, hit on the notification button, like the video, share it to your friends for them to also benefit, comment in the comment section anything you are confused about and any topic that you want us to make videos on it for you. You can also contact us if you want one-on-one coaching. Okay, so this video is being sponsored by Smart TV GH. They deals with all kind of entertainment news, politics, sports, university trending, and I think they also have platforms on all the social media. I think Facebook, IG, Twitter, you can follow them as well. They also have the YouTube channel called Smart TV. You can check them out, you can subscribe to their channel as well. Okay, so let's start. Before we start, this project is going to be a 3-bedroom house, but then this time around it's going to be a story. It's going to be a multi-story, so a 3-bedroom house, but then we are going to include our kitchen, our living room, and we are going to include our laundry. So before you start any project as an architect or as an architecture student, you have to know your brief. So for the purpose of this video, our brief is going to be 1. 3 bedrooms, 2. living area, 3. our kitchen, 4. our laundry, 5. our terrace. Let me list them here so that you don't get lost. So you can find, or you can get some diary or some book to write them down, because we are going to use them. So 1. 3 bedrooms, 2 kitchen, 3 we are going to have our living area, 4 we are going to have our dining area, we are going to have our study room, we are going to have our washrooms, we are going to have our terrace, we are going to have our, let's add laundry to it. think this one is okay for now. So let's see the 3 bedrooms. Let's include 1, 2, 2 master bedroom, master. Okay, so this is going to be our design brief. Okay, so let's change the size. Let's see if okay, so this is our design brief. Okay, so once you are done with your design brief, you have to do what we call accommodation schedule. So our accommodation schedule is going to inform you how big your space is going to look like and how your room size are also going to look like and how big your project will be. But before you do your accommodation size, you have to know your land size as well. For the purpose of this video, we are not going to use any land size. So but then if in real life if you are doing a real life project, you need to know the land size. You need to visit the land to do some sort of analysis so that you know the challenges you have on the land, that when you are designing you try and solve those problems and you try and make your design in such a way that it will fit into context. So let's say for any project you need to do some sort of zoning, you need to do some sort of analysis, you get it. By the purpose of this video, we are going to skip some steps, but then we will make videos on that for you, how to develop the concept and how to do the bubble diagrams and all that. But then let's concentrate on this. So we are going to do the accommodation schedule. So before we do the accommodation schedule, let me click here. Okay, so let me duplicate this one, so copy. So don't forget the copy, the shortcut is CO. Okay, so let me change accommodation. So the bedrooms, we are going to use 4x4 for the bedrooms. So 4 meters by 4 meters for the bedrooms. Then the kitchen, this we are going to use 3.5 meters by 3 meters. Then for the living area, we are going to use 5 meters by 7 meters. Then our dining area is going to be 2 meters by 2 meters. Then let's say our study room is going to be 3 meters by 3 meters. Then our washrooms, let's say 2 meters by 1.8. Okay, let's make it big. So let's say 2.5 by 2 by 2 meters. Then the terrace 1.5 or 1.2. Let's make it 2 meters by 1.2 meters. Then our laundry is also going to be, let's say, 2 meters by 2 meters. And our master bedroom 5 meters by 4.5 meters. Okay, so we are done with our design brief. We are done with our accommodation schedule. So I think we can move on to start planning our spaces. But take note, some of these dimensions might change. Either some will decrease, some will also increase a little bit, but it shouldn't be that big. You get it? Yeah. Okay, so before we continue, please subscribe to this channel, like the video, share it to your friends for them to benefit, hit on the notification button. If you don't know, if you have any challenge, you can prompt us, comment in the comment section, any topic, anything you are confused about. Okay, so now we can start planning our space. So once you are done with your accommodation schedule, which informs how big your space are going to be, or your spaces are going to be, let's start with the design. So first of all, whatever that I'm going to do here, you need to do it as a sketch, but then for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you in Revit. But then in real life, you have to involve the hands. So we do everything on paper, then we bring it in Revit or any architectural software. Let's say Revit, because that's the software we are using. So you bring it to Revit, then you start using your tools to draw over it. Okay, so before we start, I'm going to use the line. So DL, I hit DL on your keyboard. Then so don't forget, you have to have total for the accommodation schedule. I nearly forgot that. Total. So after doing the accommodation schedule, you have to know the area for each space. So total. So let me duplicate this one. So copy CO, click. So area, so this one is going to give us 16 meters square meters. I think this one, so If you don't want trouble, please get some calculator, because the thinking alone can drain your brains. So I don't want to stress out, so I'll use calculator. So this one will be 10.5 meters, square meters, sorry. This one will be 35. Square meters. Square meters. Square meters. 5 square meters. 3 square meters. 4 square meters. 22 22.5 square meters. So let's calculate the total. So 16 plus 10.5 plus 35 plus 4 plus 9 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 22.5. So we are going to have 109 square meters. So that's what the total area we are going to use. This is the total area we are going to use for our project. So let me try and divide this by 2. So dividing this by 2, I'm going to have 54.5 by 54.5. So let's say divided by 60 3, it takes 6.33. So we can have 72.6 by 36.3. But one thing you need to know is, when you are designing, try and make good use of your knob. So the orientation also matters a lot. So we are in this video, we are going to, or in this project, we are going to let the longer side faces the north and the south, and the shorter distance will faces the east and west. So, and this orientation can change because of your land location, and it can also change because of your land shape as well. That's why we said you have to go to the site, do some analysis, and know what is best for the land. Okay, so now you can start with our project. So I'm going to hit the, let me bring this one somewhere here. So DL on my keyboard, so the line will be active. I will choose the rectangle. I'll draw something like this. So our area, when we splitted it into two, I said it's either we use 54.6 or 54.2 by 54.2, or we either use 76 72.6 by 36.3. sorry. Okay, so we are going to use, so 76, that's meters, so that's going to be 726,000. 72600, so 72,600. That's in millimeters. By meters will be 72.6 meters. I think there is it. So I'll select this one. I'll bring it some.